Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology IGCSE. First, familiarize yourself with the entire syllabus. This helps you understand what topics will be covered and what is expected of you. Next, divide the content into smaller, more digestible parts. This makes the vast amount of information less overwhelming. Finally, establish a consistent study routine. Regular, focused sessions are far more effective than last-minute cramming. To truly master biology, active learning is key. Don't just passively read. Instead, try to recall information from memory. Use flashcards or self-quizzing to test your knowledge. Visual aids like diagrams of the human heart or plant cell structures can greatly enhance comprehension. Furthermore, explaining complex topics to a friend or even to yourself helps reinforce learning and highlights areas where you might need more review. Consistent practice is crucial for exam success. Work through a variety of past paper questions to become familiar with the exam structure and question types. Pay close attention to the mark schemes to understand how points are awarded. After attempting questions, thoroughly review your answers. This process helps you pinpoint weaknesses and improve your understanding. Don't hesitate to ask your teacher for clarification on difficult topics. Remember to prioritize your well-being throughout your studies. Getting enough sleep and eating nutritious meals will significantly boost your concentration and memory retention. Keep your study space and materials well organized. This saves valuable time and reduces stress. A tidy environment promotes a clear mind. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help you stay on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.